Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build Brick's Daisy Duck. First, lay out all your brick pieces and ensure you have the right colors. You'll need specific shades for her white feathers, pink bow, and orange beak. A clear, flat workspace will make the building process much smoother. Double-check your inventory against the instructions to avoid any missing parts before you begin. Let's move on to building Daisy's foundation. Begin by creating a sturdy base, which is crucial for the entire model's stability. Then, carefully construct her main body, paying close attention to the curves and proportions that define her character. Make sure each brick connects firmly to the next, ensuring a solid and durable build. Now it's time to bring Daisy's face to life. Securely attach the head to the body, making sure it's perfectly centered. Next, meticulously place her expressive eyes and long eyelashes. Don't forget her distinctive orange beak. Finally, add her iconic pink bow, which truly completes her adorable look and adds a pop of color. You're almost done. Take a moment to inspect your completed Daisy Duck model. Check for any bricks that might be loose or misaligned and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your creation, find a special place to display her. She'll be a delightful addition to any collection, showcasing your building skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.